Here's a great way to get rid of tartar. But before we reveal it to you, what exactly is tartar? The term tartar is used to describe dental plaque. In reality, the term biofilms is more accurate. A biofilm is made up of calcium houses that contain bacteria. This is part of their survival strategy. They go undetected by your immune system and antibiotics by hiding beneath this calcium dome. In fact, 95% of bacteria naturally live in biofilms. As long as there is water, such as in saliva, you will have biofilms. You will experience bad breath, receding gums, and inflammation if you have too many biofilms. Eventually, some people will have to go to the dentist and have them removed because it's too much. You can do a few things to prevent tartar from building up in your teeth or manage it better if you're getting too much of it. Let's take a look at a few of them. Sugar alcohols such as xylitol, found in gum, and xylitol sweeteners have antibiofilm properties. Those properties help prevent plaque from adhering to your teeth. So xylitol gum is the way to go if you plan to chew gum. To reduce biofilms, we can use the following natural ingredients: rosemary, garlic, thyme, clove, oil, oregano, cinnamon, and curcumin, which is also found in turmeric, and another compound known as NAC. But by far, baking soda is the most important. Why baking soda, you ask? Baking soda is simply sodium bicarbonate. One thing about biofilms, particularly those that grow around your teeth, is that they can produce far too much acid. The primary producer of acid is sugar, so watch your diet out. Sugar and diabetes are the food that the bacteria love, so consuming too much sugar results in feeding the yeast. It's a great idea to use baking soda to raise the pH and make things a little alkaline to help buffer that pH and prevent calcium from leaching out. Additionally, baking soda can be used to dissolve these biofilms. Interestingly, your saliva produces sodium bicarbonate, baking soda to buffer acids. So you are simply consuming something that your body already produces and therefore has almost no side effects. For this method, you should combine 1/4 of a teaspoon in half a cup of water, then add hydrogen peroxide. We strongly recommend you to get the 3% hydrogen peroxide that you can get from the drugstore. The use of hydrogen peroxide prevents biofilms from forming and helps kill bacteria, yeast, candida, and other microbes. Hydrogen peroxide is also very intriguing because your body makes it. Your saliva contains it, and microbes are killed by hydrogen peroxide, an essential compound within your cells. In other words, we will simply provide your body with the ingredients that it already produces, but at a higher concentration. So, mix that in half a cup of water and then use your toothbrush to brush your teeth after brushing your teeth with toothpaste. By doing this, you can prevent future biofilm from growing or returning. Over time, your teeth will be smooth again in no time. So will you be trying this method? Let us know in the comments below. You should also watch the following 2 videos. You'll gain a lot of health benefits from watching them. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.